Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and today I'm going to be upcycling this fitted men's shirt into an open back tie top. So let's get to it. I started by unpicking the shirt. I separated it into 4 main pieces. I buttoned the front 2 pieces of the shirt back up together and folded them in half. I wanted to use buttons as a feature in my top, so I decided that I needed to work around them. I used a princess seam pattern that I'd previously draped and lined it up with the centre fold and cut my front piece out. Keeping the fabric folded, I then cut out the side sections. If you're interested in how I created my pattern, comment below and I will make a video about it. I then sewed these 3 pieces together. Next I began working on the back sections. I adjusted the front pattern piece by drawing a diagonal line from the top of the sleeve all the way to the bottom, then folded over the extra part of the pattern so it was out of the way. I pinned this down next to the side back pieces and cut them all out. I sewed them together the same way I did with the front section. This can be fiddly, so I just made sure to pin down everything well. If you're following along, just make sure you end up with 2 mirrored pieces rather than 2 identical ones like I did to start with. Next step was to line up the front and back pieces and sew along the side and sleeve edges. Following on from this, I did a rolled hem along all the raw edges and sewed along them. To create the tied waistband, I split the bottom leftover section of the shirt into 3 long strips and then sewed them together to create 1 extra long strip. I folded the long piece in half and sewed along the edge, then turned it inside and ironed it flat before beginning to pin it in place. Before pinning it onto the shirt, I found the halfway point of the waistband and started from the middle, so I knew my ties at the end would be the same length. I pinned everything in place and then sewed along the edge, attaching the waistband to the top. I ended up reusing the sleeves I had rather than creating new ones, so I decided on the length of the sleeve and then cut both of them out. I turned the shirt inside out and inserted the sleeves so the right sides would be touching, and then pinned both the sleeves in place before sewing them down. Lastly, I hemmed the sleeves with a roll hem, and then I was finished. So here's the finished look. I'm so pleased with how this top has turned out. It's perfect for summer weather and I can't wait to take it on holiday with me. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.